Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the introduction of Flash. HTML is ideal for creating static websites where text and images are placed at fixed positions, but it doesn't support dynamic sites where text, images and animations are moving around on the screen. Traditionally, these effects were achieved with animated GIF images or Java applets. Before we going to explore the Flash, we will compare Flash to both animated GIFs and Java applets. An animated GIF is actually many images saved in one. When the animated GIF is loaded onto a web page, the browser simply loops the images. This means if you make an animation of a clown that moves his hand up and down in 25 small movements, then the clown is saved 25 times. The animated version of the clown becomes 25 times bigger than a regular clown image. Therefore, even small animations take forever to load. While animated GIFs can be used for animations, they do not support interactivity. They simply loop images in a predefined order, and that's it. In Flash, you can control the animations. For example, you can make the animation to stop and wait for the user to click a button. And when the animation starts, again it can be dependent on which button was clicked. So compared to animated GIFs, the advantage of Flash are Flash movies load much faster. Flash movies allow interactivity. Flash movies are in many ways similar to Java applets. Small programs that can be embedded into your HTML pages, but unlike Java applets, it is fairly easy to create animations in Flash without programming skills. Flash movies are more stable in web browsers than Java applets. Let's see from where to download this Flash. From this Adobe site, you can download Flash. Okay, this is Adobe Flash Professional CS6 version is released. You can get the trial version from here, and also you can purchase. Okay, and then you can install it. I have already installed Flash. Go to Start menu and find Flash. Okay, so from here you can start your Flash and create template. You can directly create animation from this template. Okay, it's already examples are available here. Then you can create new action script also. You can use action script for interactivity with Flash animation, and you can learn also from this Adobe sites. Okay, we will see the tools and other things in our next tutorial.